Hello, welcome to the English Easy Practice course Conversations Practices. Now, you will listen to some daily English conversations in different places and situations. Thus, you will learn vocabulary and improve your English listening and speaking skills. Let's get started.
May I please try these on?
Sure. Our dressing rooms are right over here.
What is the maximum number of items that I can take into the dressing room?
Up to 6 items are allowed in the dressing room at one time. I can hold down to any of the items that you have previously tried on and like.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your help.
Definitely. That's what I'm here for.
I have 10 items that I want to try on.
You can try on 6 now. We will hold anything that you like here on this stand. This will give you the chance to take more items in to try on. We will work together on this.
Okay.
How is everything looking? Can I change any of the sizes for you?
Well, I like this dress and these pants. The rest of these items are too big for me.
I will take a look to see if we have them in smaller sizes for you.
Thanks.
Here you are. We have the items in the sizes that you need.
That is great. I am so glad that you have this shirt because it will go well with these pants that fit me earlier.
Hopefully this all fits to your liking.
I have wonderful news. Everything fits. I will take all of these.
I am so happy that you found everything that you were looking for.
Me too. I want you to get recognized for being so kind to me. I'll be sure to let the cashier know that you helped me today.
That's nice. I do get credit when you mention my name, so I will be more than grateful if you do that.
For sure. I want you to get the commission.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. I'll see you the next time I come in to shop. I'll look for you again because you really helped me out a lot today.
I enjoy helping, and I am so happy that you enjoyed your shopping experience. Please have a great day. I will see you soon then.
Yes, see you soon.
Hello, are you enjoying the story? Please give us a like. Thank you.
Do you have these shoes in size 10? Size 9 is too small for my feet.
I am sorry, but we don't. How about those shoes over there? If you want, I can check to see if we have them in your size.
No, thank you. I really want this pair. Do you have another Nike store location nearby?
Yes, our other Nike store is in the mall down the street.
I am from out of town, so I will need your help with directions, please. Where is the mall?
You will take a right turn once you leave the parking lot. Then you will drive to the stoplight. You will need to make a left turn at the stoplight and you can't miss it. The mall will be on your right-hand side.
I got it. It sounds easy enough. Thank you so much.
For sure.
Excuse me. Can you please point me to the direction of the Nike store?
Yes, of course. You need to walk straight down this way and take the escalator down to the first floor. When you get off the escalator, go straight till you see the playground, and then you'll make a left turn at the corridor after the playground. It is the biggest store in that area of the mall, so you should be able to find it easily.
Yes, I think I got it. Thank you so much.
You bet. Will you be coming back this way before you leave the mall?
Yes, I will. I parked outside of this restaurant.
Well, for today only, you can get a free appetizer with any entree. All you need is a coupon from our information center in the middle of the mall.
Where is that exactly?
It is close to the Nike store. It is directly across the corridor from it.
That sounds amazing. I am hungry, so I will be seeing you again very soon.
That's great. You can ask for me. My name is Mike.
I sure will. See you soon, Mike.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future.
Hi, Jill. Where have you been? I haven't seen you in a while.
I was out of town for spring break.
Oh, I see. I thought you weren't feeling well. I was getting ready to call and check on you today after work.
That is so sweet of you, Dan.
I am glad that you're all right. How was your trip?
It was fun. My parents took me to Disneyland. We got to see the castle and Mickey Mouse.
That is so cool. You know, Disney on Ice is in town. I was planning to go check it out tomorrow night after work. Would you like to go with me?
That sounds like fun. You know I love Disney. What time does the show start? Where should we meet?
We can either leave from here when we get off work, or I can pick you up at your place. What works best for you?
I do need to walk my puppy, Peppers, before we go.
We could walk him together.
Yes, I was hoping that you wanted to do that.
We can also catch dinner after that too, if you would like.
I am excited. We will have a great time. Thank you so much for the invite.
Of course. Thank you for agreeing to go with me. It is almost time for our lunch break. Would you like to go out for lunch today?
I am sorry, I have to play catch-up right now. I need to get all of this done so that we can enjoy tomorrow night.
Well, I will pick up something for you then. What do you want to eat?
Aw, thank you so much, Dan. I would love the chicken wrap. You're a lifesaver.
You always do the same for me. I will be back very soon.
You're the best, Dan. Thank you.
Listen to the lessons repeatedly to think in English and automatic speaking. Repetition is very, very important to become fluent. You need to speak English fluently without translating in your head. The words should come out of your mouth automatically. So, this is where the repetition comes in. If you repeat the same vocabulary and sentences many times, you will become a master of this vocabulary and grammar. So, you will be able to use that words automatically, without thinking about grammar rules and without translating vocabulary in your head. In order to think in English, you must repeat vocabulary and sentences as much as you can. After lots of repetition, eventually you will start to think English in your head and improve your speaking skills.
You can practice English whenever and wherever you want. Just listen to our short stories and answer the easy question out loud. You will improve your listening and speaking skills fast.